Tired of your favorite rifle jamming at the worst possible moment in Stalker 2? Let's get straight to the point. Can you actually repair weapons in this game? The short answer is no, not in the traditional way you might be thinking. There isn't a repair kit you can apply directly to a gun to restore its condition bar. However, you can definitely improve your situation. Your main option is to find a technician or mechanic NPC. These guys are scattered throughout the zone and will be happy to work on your weapons for a price. Just bring them your busted gear, and they will bring it back to tip-top shape by swapping out parts or fixing any internal failures. The better the condition of your parts, the better your weapon will work. You can also find weapon parts by looting fallen stalkers. Scavenge around the zone, because parts can be used to trade with mechanics to bring down your weapon repair costs, or be traded for better gear. So, while you can't exactly DIY your gun repairs, you definitely have options to keep your arsenal in fighting shape. Now go get back to hunting mutants.